Hey, I'm Petro from Taekwondo and welcome to this video in the LiveU LU300 video series together with LiveU. In this video I'll show you how you can stream directly to a CDN or Facebook, and this can be done of course via the LiveU Central web portal. Are you ready to stream to Facebook with me? Let's go! Alright, we are at the LiveU Central and we need to log on, so we have fill in your username, password and sign in. And here you'll see all of the units that we have connected, and there are actually two that are available to us, one LU200 and one, of course, the LU300. And there's a lot of things going on here, so you can fill in quite some stuff. But for going to CDN, that's not important. Just hit start, and it's connecting. And once it's connecting, so it turns red to stop it again. You also see that you can stream it to Facebook or to another CDN. By the way, you can also stream to a cloud server, but in my case, it's the LU2000 on-premise. Below the stop sign, you'll see that I can stream directly to Facebook or to CDN. Let's go briefly to the CDN one first and create a destination. I don't know. Let's do Taekwondo website or something, and hit right, there you go. So then you choose your publisher, your favorite publisher, and for instance, in my case, I'll pick, I don't know, Wowza or something. So let's go down to Wowza and hit Wowza, you're right there, and blah, blah, blah. The primary URL is something that you need to fill in right there. And what's also important is that, well, you have to fill in the profile. So it has to be HQ or not. Now in this case we hit cancel because we're going to go to Facebook, and in my case I am going to a page that I manage, which is the Design Equal Studio, and from there on I can actually go live, and I can also add, if I have that setting, I can also add graphics right here. I don't have to go via vMix, for instance. I go next, and this screen pops up. On the right hand side, you will see that there's a preview, which is right now, and we just fill in something about what the post is about, the Facebook post is about, and we also need to fill in a video title, like so. And as you can see, there's also an advanced setting right there. So if we click on that, there's a lot of additional stuff that you can do, and yeah, this is of course sponsored by LiveU. So let's fill in their name right here, like so, and say go live to Facebook. That's as easy as it gets. So now you've seen how easy it is to stream directly to Facebook. Do you like this video? Share your love by subscribing to the channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified when we post another video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.